Oh shit. So I did a little thrifting this past week and I bought a lot of stuff that I'm super excited to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So before I jump into the video to show you guys my first item, I would like to mention that I realized that now that I'm getting older, the way I shop is quite different. I no longer just look at an item and be like, ooh, this is cute, I'm going to get it. No, nowadays when I see an item I like, I also look at the fabric, the quality, the fit, and what I can wear it with before I make my decision. So I have told you guys before that when I go thrifting, I just skip the pants section altogether because it's really hard to find pants in my size. But this time was different. I randomly ran into this pair of pants and what caught my attention was the fabric. It is a heavy knit fabric, the texture is very smooth. And another thing I really like about these pants is that they are curl. I can wear these with high socks and some loafers. I got this pair of pants for only $15. This one will have to wait till winter. So this pair of pants has an elastic waist, which is much better for me. I believe the fabric is wool. This pair of pants has no pockets, by the way. Since the coronavirus isn't going anywhere, I'm just skipping summer altogether and buying more winter items and even more blazers. I have so many vintage blazers, I feel like I'm running out of space, but I feel like I have a fetish for blazers, so I can't really stop buying blazers. Someone stop me. Someone literally choke me and tell me to stop. Okay, that's a little too weird. So I found this tan blazer at Goodwill. Is it a tan? It's like a light brown color. And this blazer is different than the other blazers I have. Wait, that sounds kind of familiar. This blazer is different than the other ones that I have so far. This blazer has a very pretty detail right here, and it is this gold button. I like how it has only one button, super stylish. Don't you agree? The sleeve has two more tiny buttons right here. I love these gold buttons so much. This item is going to be great for me to layer for this upcoming winter. I got this item for only $11.49. I think I will be wearing the jacket like this instead of leaving it open because I want to show off the gold button, and also it has only one button, so that's like a fun detail that I want to show off. The next item that I'm about to show you guys looks like a blazer, but it's a jacket, I believe. It is this blue and white jacket with the grid detail all over. The jacket is very, very light. The fabric is super thin, and the outside texture is kind of rough, but the inside is, however, very smooth. So that's a plus. And also it has purple buttons. I'm really into blue and baby blue lately. I really don't know why. Is this my quarter life crisis color? I don't know. Maybe we'll find out how I dress for the next 2 years. Or have I moved on from the boring black and white? Who knows? So I got this for $15, a little pricey, but if you can see, the item looks very new and it is in a really good condition. So I did not mind paying that much for this vintage jacket. So this is the blue and white jacket. You can't really close the pocket. It's just a flat pocket. Yes, I bought another item in blue, and yes, it's another jacket. If it wasn't for the color, I would have never noticed this jacket. And I also bought this at Goodwill for only $3.99, which is like $4, because it was on sale for 50% off. Another best thing about this jacket is that it's from Tahari. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the brand. I am very familiar with this brand, so I'm really glad that I found this jacket in Goodwill for only $4. Tahari for $4. And the buttons are snap buttons. And if you fold hem up, it looks like this. I really, really like this jacket. So you guys, this is the jacket. So fucking cute. I love this jacket so much. And I'm wearing white gloves to channel Jackie Kennedy. This is literally so pretty. I love the fabric so much. I love the cut. I love the fit. Everything about this jacket is amazing. Oh, and the jacket has pockets. I have been wearing a lot of trash shirts, so I thrifted some trash shirts that I would like to show you guys. So the first trash shirt that I would like to show you guys is this tan, I think it's brown, but it's this brown color dress shirt. I love how shiny the fabric is. When I look at the fabric content, it is 55% cotton and 45% polyester. The size is extra large. I'm thinking of adding shoulder pads to the shirt. I don't know yet, but we will see. I got this for $7.99, a little pricey, but then again, I really, really like this color. Oh my god, even though this shirt is in the size large, but it fits me really well too. Like, look at the sleeves. Size large. This shirt is in size large, and I got this in the men's section. Questionable. I'll probably add shoulder pads to this shirt. Hopefully it will look like this. Another trash shirt that I got is this shirt in this kind of like a smoky, like platinum. I love that the collar and the hems are in white instead. A little nice contrast, I guess. I am looking forward to mix and match this shirt with other items I have in my closet. Maybe a turtleneck underneath would be cute, but I do that all the time, so what's new? I got this for $1 less than the other trash shirt, so I got this one for $6.99. Not bad. Up close so you guys can see the fabric. I like the fabric of the shirt. I don't know if you guys remember the Chanel collection for Spring/Summer 2019, but there was a shirt that I really like. Chanel short sleeve shirt with the Chanel on both sides. I found something similar in the thrift store. I am not going to add the Chanel logo on my shirt. Just tacky. But I am going to crop the shirt. So it's like this huge short sleeve shirt. It doesn't look like the Chanel shirt, of course, but it has the same vibe. So I'm looking forward to crop this a little, not too cropped, just enough for my body. I wish that the color is a little bit more white. It's like this off-white creamy color, which I'm not really a fan of because the yellow tone is too strong. So I kind of wish that it was just white, but that's okay. So as you can see, it's really long on me. So what I would do is I would crop it right here. And that's all I would do to this shirt. But it's gonna be a challenge because I don't know how to fucking sew. I actually saved the best item for last. I recently went to this vintage store and I found the most perfect pair of shorts ever. It doesn't fit me like really well, but it fits me just fine. Half suede, half leather shorts. Amazing. This is the front, by the way, and this is the back. I like how the front has the back pockets and then the back has no pockets. This little detail right here with 2 buttons, closure with a zipper hidden inside. I really like the color combination. The only thing is, this pair of shorts is a little pricey. I got this pair of shorts for $37, but I understand why. This is real leather and real suede, so the price is right. As you can see, this pair of shorts is so stiff. It's understandable because of the materials. With that said, I'm really excited to put these looks together, probably for a lookbook in the future to show you guys. If you like this video, please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have 2 Instagram accounts at the moment. One of them is active and one of them isn't active at all. Very Snatch is the active account and Dear Vu is the inactive account. So if you just wanted to look at the aesthetic of my old account, you can go ahead and take a look at Dear Vu, but please do follow me on Very Snatch because I'll be super active on my new account. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video and please stay safe. Bye.